I'm Bea Valdes and I'm a designer.
Hi, I'm Ryan Villamael. I'm a visual artist. I work with paper.
The essence of Christmas for me has always about being with family and friends and celebrating coming together.
It's a time of the year to reflect and be grateful for the years past.
It's a time when you really come home and celebrate, have these big dinners and just spend a lot of time with the people that you love.
I think Shangri-La has always had this vision which moves the arts forward, and I think they've always been champions of local artists and artisans, so this was a perfect way to bring a contemporary vision for festive holidays. We really wanted to focus on something that is very Filipino, but doing it in a contemporary way. So we wanted to highlight crafts like weaving and getting motifs from local flowers and foliage and interpreting this into the designs for the festive decor. We have some tinalak stars because they're a fun interpretation of the paroles, and along the driveway through Industria, they're metal interpretations of paroles. So I think it's just different views of something that is traditionally Filipino. Ryan, he has done a tree which I think is really unique and really quite spectacular. It has very interesting patterns on it.
Design-wise, it's inspired by traditional patterns across the country of how we celebrate Christmas.
I think it would be very fun to share this vision of what his Christmas is with everybody. Happy holidays from all of us.